If you are applying for an exhibition, you're going to need an artist bio. That is going to be written in third person, which feels insane to write that way, but they use artist bios to talk about you. So, talk about where you're from, what your art is inspired by, talk about what materials you use and what inspires you and why you are a maker. That's going to be your bio. Like mine lists that I went to Arizona State University and studied art. Like it's going to be a real short version of you that somebody could pull from and get a real good glimpse of who you are. The next thing you're going to need is an artist statement. This is particular to the set of work that you are submitting. So you might have different types of art that you do. Not everything's going to fit under the same statement because you might have a desert collection and that's going to have its own thought process behind it and a whole set of inspiration for that, and you're going to have an artist statement that talks about why you were inspired to do desert, it's kind of like spelling out what your artwork means. Maybe you have a whole series of portraits and all of them are showcasing your friends. So you're going to write specifically like almost an artist statement per collection, if that makes sense. So your bio is all about you. It's written in third person. Your statement is about the work. What does your artwork mean? What are you trying to convey and get across? And your statement can be written in first person. So that can be a little bit more creative. Your bio is going to be nonfiction, essentially, like it's going to be very cut and dry, professional. Your artist statement can be creative and it can be like as flowy and flowery as your artwork. Okay, your image list is going to accompany any images you are submitting as part of your application. Most of them are going to be about 6 images. So you can kind of make these templates on Photoshop, Illustrator, Microsoft Word, but essentially you're going to have a main picture of the image, whatever artwork you created, the title, the materials and size, if it resides somewhere, and what year it was created. Your image list is going to be the absolute best work that you have done and or work that you've done that is most relevant to what you're applying for. So if you are applying for something that is 3D, you want to show off any 3D artwork that you've done. It kind of doesn't make sense to include only paintings if you are applying to build a sculpture of some sort, and vice versa.